How to make profit on Robinhood. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you make profit on Robinhood. Now, to do it so, you will have to follow these steps. So what you need to do is the simple buy low, sell high. That means to buy something and sell it back later for a profit. The same goes for a trading, but if you end up spending more on your trade than what you sold it for, you've got a loss in trading and when you own something, whether it's stock, option, etc. If you want to get profit from Robinhood, you want to go ahead and select account sections from the top of the page in the right hand side corner. Then here you want to go ahead and click on transfer, then click on transfer money since this option isn't enabled at the moment. And then you want to enter the exact amount that you like to withdraw. Choose the Robinhood account that you want to withdraw money from. Select the link external account to withdraw to, and if your account qualifies, instant transfer eligible will show under the external account. And this is how you could make profit on Robinhood. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.